There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, is bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and send me out and dilate your shit beer. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Story to be told, but I had the one of you. I'm gonna make you head burn. Think of me in the depths of your despair, making a home down there, remind you how we shared. Scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me. Throw your soul to every open door. Count your blessings to find what you look for. Tornade my soul into treasure gold. You pay me back in kind and reap to what you sow. We could have had it all. We could have had it all. It all. We could have had it all. Rolling into deep, to have my heart inside, and you played to the beat. We could have had it all. Rolling into deep. We could have had it all.